Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I am going to be showing you how to change your skin in Minecraft. So to change your skin in Minecraft, what you want to do first is you're going to want to be on Skindex. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select a skin. So in order to change your skin, you go to skins, last is skins, and as you can see here, there are some skins right here that you can download. So in order to change your skin, you gotta download a skin. So the skin that you can download any skin you want. But the skin I'm going to choose. Next what you want to do to change your skin is look for a skin you want. You look for a skin you want. You want to find a cool skin that you want. Then once you've selected your skin, you click download. Then the skin will download on Minecraft, and this will pop up. So you want to just go ahead and click out of that Untitled, and there you go. The skin is downloaded. Then you just X out of it, out of Google. Then you go to Minecraft. Then you go to Minecraft. Then you want to wait for it to pop up. And as you can see, mine has taken a little bit to pop up. Then what you want to do is you want to go to skins. Then you go to browse skins. Then you look for your cool skin. And as you can see, I'm looking for it right now. So where is the skin? Where's it? So where's the skin? So yeah, you're gonna want to find the skin, and it's kind of hard to find the skin because I have so many skins. So yeah, I might not find it at all. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Who knows? But anyways, yeah, that is how you change your skins. So you see if it's the right skin, and if it's not the right skin, then you just try again. So you just look for the skin that you downloaded. Then you'll have it. So now what you need to do is just look for the skin. And the skin will be kind of hard to find. If you have lots of skins, then the skin is gonna be kind of hard to find. So if you start to lose hope, then you just select your own skin. If you start to lose hope, then you just select a skin that you already have. Then once you selected your skin, you hit save, and then there's your skin.